So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Claude Cowork to your WordPress site. So first of all, let's go ahead to log into our WordPress. So the first step, let's come here to Users on the left-hand side, and let's click on Profile. Okay, when you're on this page, let's scroll down. And keep in mind what your username is. We are going to need that later in the tutorial. Let's continue to scroll down. And on the bottom here, you are going to see application passwords. So you may already see like available fields here. I have it disabled because I am in Wordpress. So if you see the same thing, you can click on Edit Wordpress Options. And let's scroll down. And let's click on Brute Force Protection. Scroll down. And then you could uncheck the Disable WordPress Application Passwords fields. And then just save your changes. And let's come back here to User and Profile and scroll down. And then you should see this box, New Application Password Name. So we can name this Claude or anything that you want. And then we can click on Add Application Password. And once you have the password, I want you to copy it. So next, let's open up Claude Cowork. And then we're going to say, can you help me connect to my website, derekkumo.com, using the application password and the WordPress REST API? And then you could go on to the next line and say your username, and then type in your application password. So here you would just paste in the application password that we had just copied. And then we can click on Send. And the Claude Cowork is going to work on it. And in a few minutes, you're going to see connected successfully. Let me grab your user details to confirm. And then you should see you're connected to your website as this username with full read, write, and delete permissions via the REST API. So that's how you can connect Claude Cowork to your WordPress website.